America's in.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm up in the room. Oh, I'm doing good, thank you. I'm up in the room. I just had a question. I see you got the do not disturb thing, the little door hangers, and for the do not disturbs. I know about those. Is there one? Because I'm just up here in the room. I'm not really doing anything. I'm kind of bored. Is there a way to let it be known that people are okay to disturb me?
No, there's not. We don't have nothing for that.
How do I let the staff and the other guests know that it's okay to just, because I'm going to leave it like propped open an inch, just to let them know that it's okay to just walk in unannounced.
Are you going to be staying tomorrow too? Because I mean, if you want service stuff like that, I mean.
No, I'm just saying in general, and just in general, I would like to be disturbed for something to do, a little excitement in the life. Just if anyone wandered in, then, who knows what would happen, maybe we're friends.
And no one will come into your room. I mean, it's only
right. Yeah, that's the problem.
Right now.
Correct. That's the problem I'm having. I would like to get some people just kind of wandering in and out here, just as, as they walk by, maybe to just pop in, look around, see,
Yeah, we don't do that, sir.
That's what I'm saying. Is there a way, can you print me out like a sign or something that I could hang on the door that says, please disturb me? Come in unannounced, something like that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No one's going to come to your room in and out.
Well, I want them to. I'm trying to get people to do that. I think that it would be a nice little change of pace because I'm just sitting up here flipping through the channels. I'm bored. I'm a little bored.
It's not going to happen.
Right. I'm trying to make it.
At all. So,
I'd like
that I can do to help you in that situation. I mean, if you want to have a friend of yours come over, that's fine. But as far as my
No. I don't have any friends in the area. That's why I would like strangers to just kind of come in and disturb and bother me.
No. That's not going to happen.
How do I? Well, if I'm making them invited, an invited guest should be okay.
That's fine. If you have a guest that you want to have over.
A guest that I don't know yet is the thing. It's just a guest I don't know yet.
There's nothing that I can do to help you with that.
Okay. All right. Can I just leave the door propped all the way open and we'll see who wanders in?
That's fine.
Okay, thank you. You can come on up, too, if you'd like to.
I'm at work.
Well, when you're done, or on break or something.
Yeah, I don't take breaks, and whenever I'm done, I go home.
Well, I got a little bit of weed for after your shift. That's all I'm thinking.
No, I don't do that.
Well, okay. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Maybe after you clock out, your story will change a little bit, and you can come up here and hit it.
No, I don't do no drugs at all.
It's okay. No. It's fine. It's just weed. It's not a big deal. Just come up here. I'll show it to you at least.
That's fine.
Well, at very least, I'd like you to see it. So, because if you don't smoke it, you don't know that much about it.
That I can help you with as far as something else. I mean.
Yes. Are you any good at DJ? Can you DJ at all?